Hey, what's going on, guys? My name is Cesar. Thanks for being here. And on this channel, I teach strategies on how to make money online, and also I made reviews about the programs that I have about in my journey. And for example, you can see on the screen, this is my Tai Lopez account, the Entrepreneur Starter Kit program. This is a review about this program, and basically it has 5 modules. The module 1 is Pick a Business, the module 2, Quick Launch, module 3, Look and Listen, module 4, Modify, and module 5, Grow, Traveling CEO, and bonus lessons. For example, if I click here, we can see all the lessons of the module 1, and the first lesson is the introduction and walkthrough to the Entrepreneur Starter Kit program, then pick the right idea, then using the PASE system to access personality types, and basically P stands for practical, A for action, S for social, and E for emotional. Then introvert or extrovert, are you creator or a doer? Building a scalable business and starting a business is easier than you think. The importance of building a solid foundation. Are you in the right business? How scalable is your business? Basically, it has 10 lessons or 10 steps. And right now, guys, Tai has launched this new deal of the week. And basically, you can join all of his 2021 release programs in 3 cool bonuses: the Timeless Marketer, the Business Mindset, the Next Level E-Commerce, the Copywriting, Weekly Live Calls, and you can see here, this is the Entrepreneur Starter Kit. Now you know that it has 5 modules, and you can stay ahead of everyone else. And these facts are very important, guys, because e-commerce has won and the school system has failed us. And for me, this is very true because I'm a chemical engineer and also I have an MBA. And I was working for a company, and the company fired me even when I delivered good results for them, because I sold for them approximately $400,000, and I make for them good profit, and they didn't care nothing about that. And so, because I have bought my first course from Tai Lopez in 2016, I have the right mindset. And so when that happened in my life, basically it didn't change, because I was working on my affiliate marketing business. So guys, this is very important because you don't know what is going to happen in the future. Maybe you have a job, or you are working a job and you hate that job, and so it's important for you to have multiple streams of income, because if your boss fired you, you need to have, for example, a plan B, C, D, E. And you can read all the information about this course, guys, and I will be doing reviews about Tai Lopez program, because I have in other programs too, because I have bought also Grant Cardone's University for the Sales, and YouTube ranking Masterclass from David Woodbury, and also Darren Hardy's courses. So stay tuned, guys, because I will give you a lot of value, and I'm going to make more videos about reviews, affiliate marketing trainings, and strategies on how to make money online to help you. So talk to you soon, guys. Bye.